Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to find hidden lock chat on WhatsApp. A chat has been locked and also hide. How do you find it? The first thing you need to do is I'm going to open my WhatsApp now. Now you must know one thing is that you must know the secret code used to lock to hide the app the chat. You must know the secret code used. Once you know the name used as a secret code for the locked chat, you'll be able to find it. What you need to do is just come here. For example, now I have a chat that has been locked and also hidden, which the secret code is called hello. You're going to see it now. Hello, you can see it's bring out the lock chats. So make sure you know the name, the secret code used for that lock chat. Once it is, you'll be able to find it. Just click on it and you'll be able to find the lock chat. Okay, it's very simple. So this is how you find the hidden lock chat so easily. The first thing is you must know the secret code name used to store it. Once you know it, you'll be able to find it very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.